Opal makes mini apps. We're actually going to build one. See, what time is it? 7:48. Yeah, we've got time. Create new, and let me go back to normal size. Create new. So describe what you want to build. So I said, create a content idea generator, input a topic and platform, LinkedIn or Twitter or whoever, pull recent trends, then generate 5 to 10 bullet outlines and relevant hashtags, output as a formatting table with thumbnail image suggestions. So this hourglass here means it's doing it. And what it's built here is it's called it trend post. It's got the input where you enter the topic, the platform, then it does some research, then it generates post ideas, and then it generates the output. And you can always add things in between, and you can click on it and change where things are going and add nodes. We are going to do one thing. We're going to say, I'm going to ask it to add export to Google Docs for easy copying. So we just put that in here. And so you see it added export to Google Docs up there. And you can also click on stuff here and then click on this to suggest an edit to whatever the prompt is. Actually, I think this has more of a prompt here. And so you can edit the prompt to do more things, change the tone of what it's doing or whatever. But let's go back here. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to grab a topic here for a second. I'm going to say, give me ideas for a post on where AI will be in 10 years. And then it says LinkedIn or Twitter. And you could tell it for other, you could say add Instagram or TikTok or wherever you want it. And now it's off thinking. And you can see over here that it's what steps it's working on. Here we go. Social media post ideas. Is AGI coming sooner than we think? Your job in 2035, collaborating, not competing with AI. Healthcare in 2035, AI's life-changing revolution. Ethical AI, building trust in a hyper-intelligent world by 2035. Your day in 2035, seamless AI integration from home to office. The compressed 21st century, how AI will accelerate innovation. So it's actually given us more than 5, which is, yeah, we said 5 to 10. So it's given us 8. And let's see there, it's given the content outline with the bullet points, although they're not bullets, they're dashes, and it's given the hashtags. And there's also another column, let's see if we can see, yeah. There's the column where this is suggested thumbnails. So you get the idea that in vibe coding terms, it's pretty basic. But you can build all sorts of little useful apps for yourself, particularly since it's in the Google world. So you can tell it to go and connect to Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Email or whatever, and build little apps that do things that you might need. And it's currently free. And you can build different versions for different platforms. Thank you for all the nice comments in the chat.